Without further ado, let's go straight to the table. After the outdoor watch T-Rex 3, Xiaomi welcomed its first new product in 25 years, the Active 2. The packaging box already labels it as the Sapphire version. According to official news, only the Sapphire version is currently available domestically. Doesn't it feel great to get the complete package directly at home? Next, let me tell you about the main upgraded features of the Active 2 and its suitable user groups, hoping to provide some reference for your purchase. Earlier, a friend sent me a private message asking if there's a problem with not having a shrink wrap on the packaging. Xiaomi's packaging was changed last year to a one-time seal design, eliminating the shrink wrap. After opening the box, Active 2 is revealed to everyone. It must be said, the visual impression is stunning. Don't miss the surprise inside the box. Inside the box, there is a simple instruction manual. There is also a portable charging dock similar to the T-Rex 3. Simply insert it using the Type-C connector. Apart from the watch's own strap, there's an extra flying light red perforated silicone strap in the box, which is breathable with multiple holes and a reverse buckle style. The material and texture are quite good. Xiaomi also offers various colored versions for purchase. The Active 2 strap is 20mm, so make sure to check the specifications when buying a strap. Let's take a look at the Active 2 watch body. The included black leather strap is relatively thin. Peel off the screen sticker, the appearance of the Active 2 is more rounded. Sapphire glass screen, side aluminum alloy frame, delicately packed. There are two buttons on the right side of the Active 2. Long press the bottom right to power on, make sure not to press the wrong one. Alright, after powering on, the screen effect looks even better. Thanks to the sapphire screen and the fact that this screen has a convex curved design, it gives a very bright visual feel. This curved screen might not be easy to apply a tempered glass protector on. For users wanting to tackle this, it is suggested to try using a soft film. The Active 2 system is the same as the Balance, but it lacks a digital crown, so most operations need to be done via touchscreen. This can be a bit uncomfortable for those used to buttons. Press the upper right button to enter the program list. Swipe right to go back. The button in the lower right corner is for quick operations, and we can also customize our favorite functions in the settings. Active 2 supports a variety of sports types, including common ones such as running, ultra running, hiking, and swimming. The exercise preparation interface also supports dynamic animations, and the system looks quite impressive. The Active 2 sensor has also been upgraded to a dual light sensor, the same type used by the outdoor initial model T-Rex 3. Even though it is a 3-digit price, the materials have not been economized at all. It also supports a barometric altimeter. Here, there is a speaker and microphone hole. The basic configuration is completely intact. How about the weight? The weight with the strap is around 42 grams. The weight of the watch body alone is 32 grams. Switch to the included red silicone strap. The weight is about 45 grams. The weight control of this metal material is quite good, and there is no sense of weight during daily wear and exercise. Compared to the T-Rex 3 I have on hand, these two have completely different design styles. Pairing them as couple watches with your significant other could also be an interesting choice. If your wrist circumference is around 16 centimeters, wearing it as a reference for fans, which one do you think you would like more? Brother Lou recommends buying if your wrist circumference is 15 centimeters or less. Wrist circumference being too large will affect the wearing effect. Of course, for wrist circumferences over 15 centimeters, the T-Rex 3 is recommended as an option. However, I must say, the texture and appearance of the Active 2 even make a 1 meter 80 tall man like me tempted. Active 2 is built in the 4.5 system. It's quite similar to the 4.0 system, with no major differences, just some minor detail optimizations. Let's talk about the drawbacks. The memory of Active 2 is somewhat unsatisfactory. Even though it's priced in the 3 digits, Brother Lou thinks it's justifiable for Yeezy. Active 2 also includes a topographic map feature, but it does not support contour lines. The topographic maps themselves don't take up much space, so at least there is some spare memory. Due to product positioning, Active 2 is equipped with a single-screen full constellation positioning system, which ensures that Active 2 is sufficient for everyday light use. However, it is worth noting that Active 2 does not support touchscreen operation for the terrain map interface and must rely on button operation to zoom in and out, possibly because of the relatively small memory and concerns about processor responsiveness. However, at the 1000 yuan price point, only Xiaomi offers topographic maps, right? It also supports track navigation and return functions, making it completely capable for light recreational outdoor activities, such as sightseeing in scenic spots. The daily functions are almost fully loaded. Balance and readiness metrics have also been included in the Active 2. It also supports heart rate variability functionality, which those who have used it know is quite responsive to the body's health condition. Sports coach and workout templates are both supported. Active 2 does not have a built-in NetEase cloud music feature, but it supports local music and you can import MP3 format from your phone. You can also play it through the watch's speaker or connect it to Bluetooth headphones, freeing your hands while exercising. The functions are not missing either, with support for entering transportation cards and non-encrypted access cards. A barometer, altimeter, and thermometer are all included with the Activa. It can be said that the basic functions are quite complete. Activa supports heart rate push function, which can be pushed to a cycling computer or third-party app for use, making exercise much more convenient. Everyone should use it more for exercise, using the watch to maintain a healthy body. Activa, as a lightweight small dial product, is more suitable for women, especially those who engage more in daily and indoor activities. It's most appropriate for these scenarios. With sapphire material, exquisite appearance, along with the latest sensors and comprehensive sports functions, its value for money is undeniable. For those with a greater need for the outdoors, it is recommended to choose the T-Rex, as it has complete outdoor functionality and button operation. The video ends here. The above is Luge's explanation and opinion of Activa. Making videos is not easy, so please like and follow for more updates on new products. If you have questions, you can leave a comment, and Luge will respond when he has time.